So the project title is blockchain based certificate validation. So which is going to discuss how to validate the certificate of the students which they received. Means whether the received certificate is original or not. Okay, so that we are going to discuss with the help of blockchain technology. So
Okay.
here what they are doing is they are going to secure the academic certificates and whatever the certificates we are having, so which we shared at the time of issuing the certificate to student. So whether they are maintaining the same certificate or not, that they are going to discuss. In the abstract itself, they are saying that so use it to secure the academic certificate and for accurate management and to avoid forgery. So nowadays the forgery of certificates is going on. Everyone is saying that now the BTech students, they are saying that they cleared all the subjects, but they're having the backlogs. So simply they are paying some money and they are going to take, some people are going to take some color xerox of other certificates by changing the name, or else something is happening. Okay, so forgery is
Yeah.
happening. To avoid that one, here what we are saying that with the help of blockchain technology, we are going to check whether the certificate is valid or not with the help of digital signature. Okay,
Yeah.
so whatever the digital signature which they're having, it will be stored in blockchain server only. And this blockchain server is going to support the tamper-proof data storage. So nobody can hack the digital signature which we stored on blockchain server only. Okay, so and the blockchain technology is going to maintain the multiple server technology only. So it is going to use hash code for verification. Okay, so
Okay.
and here we are simulating this technology with the help of the given machine learning algorithms only. So and this is the main program, so which is going to execute starting. So here we are working with Tinter library, which is going for GUI applications implementation. So and we are working with the blockchain library. Okay, so and we are working with the Hashlib bundle. So for hash
Okay.
code implementation, these all things we are using this one. And for blockchain accessing, we are using blockchain library. So here,
what is the language we are using? I think this is not in Java, right?
no Python.
Python. Okay.
This is the Python.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. So here, what we are going to do is Tinker is going to implement for front-end designing and it. So just in that folder, we are having the run method. Just run it. So this is starting point of screen. So that screen which we are going to implement here. So we are going to design the blockchain object, and then we are working with these all things, and we are saving the certificate, whatever the certificate we are having, we are saving it in the given certificate templates. Okay, and we are going to verify the certificate. So this is novel part, and we are working with other files also, like blockchain, and this is the certificate templates which you are having. Okay, so you may go with the different certificates. For sample purpose, we are using these certificates. Okay, so whatever we stored, that we can use it. So we can
I have one question here.
yeah.
This digital signature, right? You mean to say how is this digital signature converted? That is one
Here we are having
question
the
I have.
files for
See,
digital signature. Okay, so I will show that file and everything to you. This is the file which we are having. blockchain contract. So which is not in readable format. So hash code and everything is there. So this will be having that information. Okay.
Because imagine like for example, if you open that certificate, right? One certificate
Yeah.
earlier you opened, right? Can you open that one?
So when you're going to verify the certificate, so what they are showing is just we are going to open the file which they having, okay, and we are going to take the digital signature by using SHA-256. So that is security library which is having a hash lib, okay, which is getting from hash lib, okay. So that we are going to verify that is digital signature which we are going to verify, okay. Whether if it is having the digital signature similar digital signature, then we can say that the certificate is valid, otherwise it is invalid. And we are going to extract the details also. So we'll work with one example. Just I'm going to download on sample certificates just for testing purpose.
If you scroll up, right, I think you got one certificate actually.
So 1 second, 1 second.
Yeah. Can you come back? Not here. It's in before project folder. I believe. Yeah. If you come, yeah. Now here you have projects 2022, right? Yeah, that one. Fourth one.
So just I'm going to take one small example. So with roll number some 110011, name some Ramesh as Rafi, I'm going to take contact number. So save certificate with digital signature. So I'm going to choose 6th one. Okay, this is completed and so 110011. Just we can close it, or else we can go with some other examples also. For example, we need to verify the certificate of 6. So for this student, whatever the certificate I saved, it is successful. So with these details, and the digital signature is this one. So for example, I am going to take some 101, okay, some Raghu, some data which I am taking. Sorry. Okay. I'm going to verify the certificate which they give. They provided this one. So when I'm going to save for this one, and when I'm going to verify this one, so for this certificate, this is the details which they save. So when I'm
Already,
yeah.
yeah, it is showing, right? Already, this is what is.
Yeah. So
Okay.
when I provided same certificate for 101, it doesn't going to take accepted. Why? Because
But it has to, yeah, it has to show, right? This certificate doesn't is not accepted, something like that, because it's already there.
Yeah, yes. So this is a failed or certificate is modified. When I'm going to take this one, so it is going to show like this only. And
yeah, why it is getting uploaded?
Yeah, why? Because at the time of saving the details, so I saved with that record.
Yeah, you saved with roll number, everything. Okay.
So we saved with this one. That's why it is asking. So if I'm giving some other record, it is going to give that verification failed.
Correct. It has to do the same with that last 6th certificate also, right?
When that is the duplication, it comes to duplication. Why? Because if I'm going to save with this one, when I'm going to save this one, it is going to do like this. If I'm verifying, so that verification will be given to this record only.
No, here there are two patterns actually. For the certificates which you already have in your folder, right? Template folder.
Yeah.
It is showing like a different UI.
First certificate, it is a duplication process. When I'm trying to save with that one, so but initially it is going to save for this record only. If I want to work with 101 another record, I'm supposed to go with another record, another certificate. For example, this certificate I'm using. This I'm going to save image as some 7. I'm saying. Okay. So for that, if we want to go with this record, we need to save with another record 7.
Correct. Now it will get saved. Okay,
Yeah,
this is correct. Yeah. Now you have generated digital signature. Okay.
Yeah.
Now
if I go with 7, it is going to.
It will show the exactly show. It will show the exact data. Okay.
Yeah.
Now my question is, now you want to prove like you enter some other details, roll number, some.
So for this one, for example, I entered this one, and I'm going to verify the certificate for this one. It is
Correct.
going to say that verification failed.
Yeah,
if I give it for 7, it is giving.
It is showing the exact data. Yeah. Now, can you do one thing? Can you change the roll number?
Yeah, we'll change it.
Okay. Now change the name also.
We'll check it.
Correct. Now it has to show. It has to show like verification failed, right? Verification failed like that. It has to show. Right?
Just a minute. We'll go through the code. So actually here, if getting the digital signature, the same digital signature, then it is going to check this one. And why? Because what I'm doing here is I'm going to save the certificate. So before, if I saved this certificate for other student details, then it is okay. So otherwise, it is going to verify whatever the certificate I'm going to take. That will be verification.
See here. See, yeah. For the newly added things, right? If you take no, select save certificate with digital signature.
Yeah.
If you select any of the first 5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. and click verify, it will show verification failed.
It is not saving the digital signature. So why? Because which is already assigned to this one. If I'm
Yeah,
going
that
to,
is fine.
yeah,
Yeah, it will show verification failed.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will show verification failed. Can you
Actually,
click on
verification will get the modification if you go with other certificate. If I go with other certificate, so if
yeah, it is showing two details actually. Once it is showing this one, the other time it is showing a different message.
Yeah, the thing is that roll number which is having more than one digital signature only. So in that case, in that situation means sometimes what is having is same digital signature is going to check. That's why when you do the modification, it is saying that previous digital signature is this one and the new digital signature is this one. It's saying like that. But the thing is, at the same time, it is giving the valid student details also.
Correct, definitely. I agree with you because here with this we can tell like these two are not matching, so it is a not valid certificate like
Not
that.
valid certificate. Why? Because sometimes the signature which is having the same thing, which the same digital signature which is applicable means for same certificate, it may having 2-3 digital signatures at the time of saving. So even though at that time, so whatever the digital signature which we shared initially, that totals only it is going to save. Even though I'm trying to say, for example, for 111, I'm going to say for the 7. Okay, so it is giving previous hash. Okay, block number 10, the current hash, and that signature. But when I'm going to verify the same 7th record, it is giving 101. Even though you shaved. Why? Because it is taking number of digital signatures for the same certificate, but it is giving the original certificate to which they're having. So original certificate is for 101 and his name is Raghu. His contact number is this one. His digital signature is this one. Okay. So if you apply the unique certificate, then it is going to assign. For example, for 1111, if I'm going to apply the unique certificate, then it will take that one. For example, I'm going to take this one. Just I'm saving image. Page, sorry. So I'm giving 8. If I save the certificate for 1111 with 8, so that's complete. If I complete verification for 8, it is giving 1111. So what it is going to do is for different digital signatures, even though it is having different signatures, and if you are going to apply for different roll numbers for the same certificate, but it is going to give only the original information only. So here we can
can you do one thing? Can you change the roll number to last one? Add one extra one or something like that.
We'll add it. We'll add it.
1 or 2.
And if you verify the certificate, so assume it I saved. If I save, so it is giving these details only for verification purpose.
But it is not telling like it's actually validation failed, right?
Yeah. If we're giving different one, sorry. So we have some similar numbers. Data is there, so that's why it is giving like that.
Actually, it should show like because your certificate is saved with 4 ones. It should show like verification failed or
here the thing is, it is showing the original details. Even though it is showing the original details, whatever the uploaded certificate for record, so it is going to show the original records only. That's happening.
Okay. Yeah.
So why? Because some people may be having, they are going to upload the same certificate for different roll numbers. Even though if you uploaded, but it is giving original records. already you observed that one. If I give 8, but it is giving 1111. But what I entered is wrong. Okay.
Correct. It should show like my question is actually it should show like verification failed,
Yeah,
right? And the certificate is modified, right?
Yes, just a minute.
It should give us that message. Is what I'm thinking.
It is giving other things.
Yeah, I think the if condition where you have put there, right? That is having some. There we need to make some code change, I believe.
Verify with 9.
So now it will.
Yeah. Why? Because what is the thing is
there is no record itself. There is no record itself. That's why it is.
These numbers which will be having the same means earlier they may use it. For example, I'm going go to ABCD. Okay. So I'm saving with 9. Okay. And if I verifying the certificate with 2, so modified 6, it is same like that. So 1. So whatever the certificate, which
I think yeah, we need to still look into this thing actually.
Yeah.
There
So
is.
we'll try to modify the things. Why? Because here for verification. So whatever the certificate here, the thing is verify the certificate in the sense if you enter the certificate, then it is going to verify only. So the certificate is not at all issued to anyone. If I issued for ABCD,
correct.
Yeah, I think 9 is asset for ABCD. So
see, yeah, Mahesh, what I understand, I'll let you know what I understood. Okay, there are 2 parts to this verification thing. Okay, first one is admin part. What admin does is from one university, what he'll do is from the whole thing, right? How I will explain, I'm telling you to the external examiner. He'll tell all the university roll numbers, certificates, and he'll keep on saving the certificates with digital signature. Clicking on this save certificate with digital signature button. Okay, he'll keep on saving them. Now, once, like for example, there are 10,000 students. He saved everyone from all the ECE branches, every branch, MTech, BTech, everything, MBA, MCA. So now what he does is some company or someone, right, who they have MOU with, they come for verification. Now this guy will enter whatever the certificate he has been given.
This guy is going to take the certificate. The certificate which they're having. So this guy is going to take the certificate. When I click, it is going to check. So if I provided unwanted another certificate, for example, assume we don't have this certificate with us. Okay. So I'm going to make some other certificate. So just I submitted this certificate with verification officer.
Correct.
Yeah. So when I click on verify, if I give this certificate, it is going to say that.
It is. Yeah, this is correct actually. It will tell like this certificate is not there with us because
If I give a valid certificate, then it's going to say the information. So
correct. I got it. See, the program is definitely 95% correct actually. Only in if else condition, right? Somewhere it is a little bit confusing.
The thing is, verification will be done only with the image, not these details.
Correct. So I got it.
This will be helpful to save the information.
And my question is, see, one external examiner asks, right, why you are showing 2 different messages like that? That is my confusion.
Actually,
you are understanding, right?
Whatever the certificate you are providing, so which is having digital signature information. And if I'm trying to provide the same certificate with others also, so it doesn't accept. For example, right now,
I got it, Mahesh. I completely agree with you. See, now only just executed and showed it correctly. Okay. My question is, while saving the digital signature, right? When we are verifying, for few, I think in Happy Flow it is working fine. Okay.
See, the thing is, whatever the certificates we have, these are original certificates which is issued by institute. Okay. For example, this image is there. This image is there. Okay.
Yeah.
So, for example, recently we used this image. Okay. So I'm going to assume same image is substituted by someone, submitted by someone. Okay.
Yeah.
11. It looks the same image, same person name is the same is there. Okay.
Correct.
So when I'm going to check whether the certificate is for same person or not, I need to check whether that certificate is for same person or not. When I chosen that certificate, it's saying that verification failed. So if I provided this certificate, if the student is provided this certificate,
it will give the correct details.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the thing is,
can you take some first certificate, verify? Can you verify the first certificate?
Yeah. So
correct. I got it.
Is the information the certificate is related to the roll number 1, 2, 3, 4 and
yeah.
So when I am going to check the certificate, it is related to ABCD 3. So when I'm going to check with this certificate, it is related to roll number 085745.
I got it. Yeah.
Okay. So whatever
when you click the last certificate, what about the last one?
Last certificate is no one is submitted.
Correct.
Okay.
It is not submitted, so
if a person is going to submit the same certificate, it is not verified. Yeah. It is not verified. Yes, that's the thing.
Yeah, I think this is how I need to put it. I got it. Okay.
Yeah.
I was just thinking how I can explain to the external examiner. Okay.
Yeah. So that's the thing. Okay. So it is about the total execution process and everything, and I'm going to share it in YouTube also. So if you require anything, you can